Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. Christmas rectangles, centerpiece decoration ideas. Friends, triangle, Christmas triangle frame centerpiece, slim and wardrobes bring a touch of modern magic to your Christmas decoration with this stunning triangle frame centerpiece, simple, elegant, and full of winter wonder. The base start with a wooden triangle frame paint white for the clean snow looks. Place it on a table or tables. It can shine as a holiday point. Decorative elements add mini ornaments, white berries, and snow cover the branches to fill the arrangement with texture and spark. A small reindeer or star ornaments add the perfect festive touch. Lights and finishing touch warp a delicate fairy lights around the triangle for a cozy glow. As the lights fall against the greenery, it feels like snowflakes glowing in the moonlight. And the viewers and friends, emotional to minimal, magical, and full of winter charm. This Christmas centerpiece turns your home into a glowing wonderland. And viewers, Christmas snow elegance triangle centerpiece lighted snow letters spark. This triangle frame centerpiece capture the magic of with Christmas star with a thick white triangle frame. The symbol of simplicity and peace. Add forest prints, branches, white berries, and silver ornaments to create a look out of a winter fairy tale. Live in a tiny reindeer around by snow, leaves, and shimmering star to finish warm fairy lights through the frame, letting them dance like snowflakes in candlelight. Replace it by the window or on your dining table and watch as this piece turn your home into a winter wonderland, elegant and full of Christmas glam. This is warm and festive beauty. So friends,